we'll guide you through how to create an effective ChatGPT advertisement. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT platform's official site. You'll need to log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and find the Promotions tab, which is usually located in the side menu. Click on it to start creating your ad. Here, you'll see an option to create new ad. Click that button and a new form will appear. Start by giving your ad a catchy title. This is important because it's the first thing that will grab attention. Next, move on to the Ad Contents section. Here, you can write a brief and engaging description of what your ChatGPT can do. Make sure to highlight key features and benefits that set it apart. Remember to keep it concise yet informative. Once your content is ready, scroll down to the Target Audiences section. You can specify who you want to reach based on demographics, interests, and even behavior patterns. This ensures that your ad gets seen by the right people. Now, head over to the Budget section. Set a budget that fits your marketing goals. You can choose between a daily budget or a total budget for the campaign. After setting the budget, choose the duration of your ad campaign. This could be a few days or weeks, depending on your strategy. Finally, review all the details you've entered. Make sure everything looks good. When you're satisfied, click the Submit button to launch your ad. Once it's live, you can monitor its performance through the Analytics section on your dashboard. This will help you understand what's working and what might need adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.